Hello, Flavian from Sidus Academy. Today, we are going to see how to maintain your hiking shoes. The hiking shoe can be made of leather or a synthetic fabric, a moisture-wicking fabric. Maintenance will be really important to preserve the shoe over time and truly provide it with durability. The shoe, first element, when you come back, if there is mud on it, let that mud dry well, and at that moment, either brush it off or rinse it with clear water. The point of this is that the mud will harden the materials, make the materials much less elastic, and eventually perforate and hold the materials. This is the major and really important element when you return from a hike. The second element, be sure to remove the insole, whether it is for cleanliness, comfort, or podiatry, to prevent moisture from stagnating underneath and causing maceration and bacterial growth. Following that, feel free to use this type of device or an electric mechanical device with a blower. This will indeed allow the shoe to dry more quickly and absorb moisture. The more moisture you leave inside the shoe, the faster the materials will disintegrate and the more bad odors there will be. Another important element, your shoe comes several times during the season, depending on your exposure to sunlight and the humidity encountered. Come, polish the leather, come hydrate it. As soon as you see that the leather starts to whiten a little, to deteriorate, apply this reasonably on the shoe. You will regain elasticity and a shoe that is much softer, much more comfortable for you. Don't hesitate, if your shoe gets wet, to definitely use this type of device, an absolutely effective waterproofing spray. And then, you can also find in stores selling this type of shoe, products that help disinfect the shoe to limit bacterial proliferation. If you actually follow all these rules, you will be able to preserve your shoe sustainably over time and maintain its characteristics and comfort. Feel free to check out our 2 other videos on the maintenance of ski shoes and running shoes.